Hello and welcome to Five Towns College Dorm Cooking. I'm Jason.
And I'm Nile.
Today we'll be making microwave pizza bagels using 3 simple ingredients in your dorm microwave. So let's get started. First, you'll need a bagel.
We're using plain bagels today, but you can use any type of bagel you like.
Next, you'll need some pasta sauce.
We're using store-bought pasta sauce, but you can also make your own if you have the time and budget.
Then you'll need some shredded cheese.
We're using mozzarella cheese today, my personal favorite, but you can use any type of cheese you like.
Now it's time to assemble the pizza bagels.
So first, spread some pasta sauce on the bagel.
I'm gonna poison myself right now. Yep, just watch me spread my pasta in silence.
Looking so good.
Mmm, yummy, yummy in my tummy. That should be good.
Yeah.
All right, don't put, what does that say? Make sure you don't put too much or it will overflow in the microwave.
Then sprinkle some shredded cheese on top of the pasta sauce. As a lactose person, do not put too much on there.
Ah, okay, got it. Just a tad bit more.
Looking so good so far. So good.
So good. Do you think there should be more? Just, okay. Yeah. All right, that should be good.
All right.
And that's it.
So now pop the bagel in the microwave for about 45 seconds to 1 minute and 30 seconds, or until the cheese is melted.
All right, so we'll do 1 minute. 2, and we're done.
Yeah.
Wow.
It smells really good, actually.
Is it melted? It kind of is.
Yeah, it is. Here.
All right.
It's hot. Here.
Mmm. Mwah,
So good.
chef's kiss.
So good.
All right, am I gonna take
Yeah, you
a
do
bite?
it.
Okay. Oh my God, this is so lumpy. Oh my God. It's hot. You know, as they say, bone apple teeth.
What are your thoughts?
It's hot. Not that bad. Could be worse. So now we know that you can make pizza in your dorm. And there you have it. Pizza bagels in the microwave.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.